sunset view dinner cruise here in Chao Phraya River since it's my birthday. Hey besties, ayan, our boat is here! Oh my god! So this is actually a buffet. That's it, everyone. Are passing by Wat Arun. Happy birthday to you. Hey besties, today is our last full day here in Thailand and we are going to witness or to experience sunset view dinner cruise here in Chao Phraya River since it's my birthday. Ayan, so nandito kami. Currently, we are here at Sapin Taksin Station. So, nasa parang boat shuttle going to Icon Siam. Here's our current situation. So, sabi sa email is free shuttle boat daw. Pero, nakabayad kami ng 8 baht doon. Pero sige lang, it's okay. 8 baht lang naman. So, we are going there. See you later. Yan, we are boarding. Hey besties, we are currently here na sa Icon Siam. Ayan, so makikita nyo dyan guys. Yan, if you book sa Meridian Cruise, so dyan kayo magpa-register ng iyong voucher for Klook. Ayan, sa Pier 1. So dyan lang. And then, binigyan kami ng parang sticker lang. Something here na parang kasali kami sa river cruise. Something. Ayan. May fountain ba dito ay? Kagabi. Oh, parang dancing fountain to mamaya guys. Pagkagabi. Tapos, ito yung mga mamahalin na bilihin dito. As in. What time tayo magdi-deport?
5 o'clock.
Okay, 5 o'clock. So, we are currently walking going to Icon Siam Pier 2 kasi dito daw yung parang meeting point something. Bakit walang tao? Uy!
Kita nag-record.
Bakit walang tao? So, it's currently 4:27 guys and parang boarding time namin dito sa cruise is 4:45. So, we are just sitting here lang sa tabi-tabi. Ayan. So, we're waiting for our cruise to arrive. Let's go! So, ito yung dinner namin guys. As in, and katapat namin is yung Mahanakon Cube. So, alin dyan? Ayan, of course. Ayan o. We're still waiting. Ayan guys. So, pang first kami. As usual. Ticket?
A ticket? Here.
Hey besties! Ayan, we are currently inside na. So, we are waiting again para, largo na tayo dun sa boat. It's currently 4:36 p.m. Let's go! Guys, fun fact guys, hindi pa kami tapos magligpit ng aming mga luggage. Yung mga gamit namin as in sobrang kalat dun sa Airbnb. So right after this one is pali-pali. Pali-pali na tayo. Pali-pali mindset or attitude or pali-pali. Basta, yun yung gagawin namin after this one. Look at my view at the back. Diba guys? So pretty. Hi! Hello! Hey besties! Ayan! Our boat is here! Oh my God! Tingnan nyo! Woohoo! May excited ako masayaw. Char! Wow! Yay! We're going now! Yay! Yay! We're the first one! Yay! Yay! Oh my God! Ayan guys. Okay, here's our table. Hey besties, ayan, we're here na. Parang sa loob kami guys. We're here sa loob. As in, katapat lang namin yung guys, foods. Ito yung mga foods na. Ayan. Diba? So this is actually a buffet. Ayan. Hey besties, ay nakapag-change tayo ng table. I'm so happy. Thank you so much Meridian Cruise for granting our request. Char! Thank you so much. Like we're here. Ayan. Parang katapat lang kami ng table. It's currently 4:58 guys and it's okay na daw kukuha ng food. So ayan. Diyan lang. So ayan. Meron pa palang food dito guys. Ayan. So meron pang foods here. Ayan. Spaghetti. Pasta. Ayan. Our food is here guys. Hey! And our view. Let's eat, everyone. How? Guys, meron tayong parang shrimp or seafood. Ayan. I don't know if you could hear me, pero ayan, meron tayo dyan. And our view. Ah, di ko kita! Hey besties, ayan, we are passing by Wat Arun.
It's the oldest temple in Bangkok. It was built more than 200 years ago in Thailand called Wat Arun.
Hey besties, we are about to enter Mactan Channel. Ayan.
Would you ever let me down? I'm sorry.
Welcome to Chao Phraya River. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan guys, meron tayong birthday cake. And so cute. Tapos na kami kumain. Ayan, wala na yung plate namin. And ano, chilling na lang. Embracing the Chao Phraya River. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Makuhan, bitaw, makapiright. Bye guys. So after this one is baka pupunta kami sa Jangkakuan kasi may bibilhin lang ng konti. And then after mag-i-impake na. Tapos ayun, mag-prepare na going home. Bye Thailand!
This evening, hope you have a great time. Thank you so much. A fool such a lie, you never will. I cry.
Hey besties, ayan, we are back here again sa Icon Siam. So, ayan, nandito lang kami sa boat ticket Churva. So, we will buy 2 Saturn. Ito yung bibili namin. 2 Saturn BTL sa Pantacsin. 8 baht. Hey besties! We are already done na sa Sunset River Cruise, and then right now it's currently 9:30, and ayan, nakapag-check out na kami. And here's our current situation. Ayan. Ayan yung aming tatlong luggage namin. Ayan. Lang dun. I don't know if you guys could see it, pero nandyan siya. So we are waiting na lang for our bolt. Medyo lisod. Oh. So here's our luggages. Ayan. Here's our current situation. Ayan, here's our current situation. I don't know if you guys could see it. Ayan. Our bolt is here, guys. Ayan. Oh, thank you, Lord. Ow! Thank you.
Let's go.
Okay. Hey besties, ayan, we're here at the airport na. It's currently 10:30 p.m. Ayan. So yung flight namin is 1:30 a.m. So ayan, let's go! And guys, nag-line na kami for check-in counter. Or for bag drop. Kasi nakapag-online check-in na kami. So, dito kami. Hey besties! Ayan. Tapos na tayo sa immigration and sa final security check. And ayan, nasa loob na kami. We are waiting na lang for our boarding gate to open. Woohoo! It's currently
10:59.
10:59, and yung boarding gate daw namin mag-open is around 12:45. So we have like an hour or 30 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes to explore the last hora in Bangkok, Thailand. And we're here lang. Ayan guys, outfit check. Yung sinuot ko, I guess kahapon or ewan. Ayan, we're going home. Kakain muna siguro kami guys. Oh, char, hindi, maghahanap kami for pasalubong. Sana merong mura dito. Manifest. Let's go. Hey besties, update is may nabili kami dun sa Parking Power na duty free. And then right now, it's already 12 midnight and amazing kayo guys. Like, it's already open. Diba supposedly 12:45 siya mag-open yung boarding gate. But as early as 12 midnight is nag-open siya. So yeah. Let's go!
And how about with rent?
Yeah, that's my husband's network. I'm in Norway. I'm with Tan, but in the
Thank
Philippines
you.
they are not legalized.
And thank you so much guys for watching all my Thailand vlogs, and maybe I will end my video here and we will see. So right now we are on our way na sa immigration dito sa Cebu, and after that uuwi na. And by the way besties, if you want to try dun sa Dinner River Cruise or Sunset River Cruise, I highly suggest dun sa same na cruise na sasakyan namin. I think yung name niyan is Meridian Cruise or something like that. So it's only less than 1,000 pesos. So if you guys are interested, I'll just put the link on the description box below. And by the way, sa Klook namin siya na-book and sobrang sarap ng food niya. And that's a 2 hours na sunset cruise. Sunset yung tingin namin kasi yung flight namin is 1 AM. So if you are interested also in another time, meron silang dinner cruise. I think it will start around 7 PM, something like that. So yeah, a must try or a must visit meal when you are in Thailand. So yeah, and I guess that's it guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching all my Thailand vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!